everybody. Happy Friday. Well, my Friday. I hope you had a happy Friday by the time you see this. I'm in Quartzsite. Woohoo! I made it yesterday and all is going well. There's not all those rocks. I love it. It's just the desert. So I'm very happy. All right, here. I've had a couple people ask where the Love's Travel Center was at that I was turned away from staying overnight. You'll get to know me real quick. I don't know directions. I'm not good at directions and remembering where something was at. So I'm going to look back through my records and I'm going to figure it out. There. I checked at Love's the day before yesterday about what their price was on showers. Last year, this time it was $15 for a shower at Love's. Now it's $18. So if that's where you shower, be prepared. It's $18. I'm going to the salon that Kimberly told me about. They only charge $5. They put in 4 new showers. And so $5 is better than $18. It's better than the $11 that the laundromat charges for showers. So that's where I'm headed. I'll let you know how that goes, if it's, what it's like. But I have a couple errands to do today. For one, I want to get my shower, as I just said. Also, I'm going to go out to the rally and take my donations to the table, for the free table, I mean. Then I'm going to stay there a while at the rally and hand out stickers for my channel and just talk to people. I'm not real interested in attending any of the talks because I've looked them up, and being as this is my 3rd year, it seems to be a lot of the same stuff. But who knows? I may catch one while I'm there. I might be pleasantly surprised. That's my game plan right now. Whoops. But I just wanted to say hi to everybody, and I hope you're doing well. I didn't have a good night's sleep. Boy, my back was killing me, and my arm. I think I have a torn rotator cuff in my shoulder, or it's just arthritis, pretty bad, has set in. But this has come about over the last few months, so it could be arthritis. But man, yesterday was a tough day with the pain from that shoulder. But last night sleeping, I was up until about 3, and then I finally got to sleep and woke up at 7 a.m. Actually, it was 8 a.m. here. My clock said 7. I got to get that fixed. So I'm just excited to be at my destination. I'm excited to see friends that I have missed over the past year since I was here last. So I'm really excited. It's going to be a good time here. Kimberly wants to go to the jewelry store that I get my sterling silver from. They have the best prices I've ever seen. Like this ring right here on my finger, turquoise. I love turquoise, and I only wear sterling silver. Anyhow, this ring was like $23 or $24. That's just unheard of for a beautiful ring that was handmade. But I love the jewelry from there. So we're going to swing by there today. I'm not buying anything today because I just got here. I've got to make my money last. I hope everybody's doing good. Thank you for all of your patience and kindness and for being so sweet with your comments and your likes. And thank you to all my new subscribers. I am so grateful to you subscribing and giving me an opportunity to show you what I have to offer. But I really want to hand around my stickers for my channel. I got these little stickers that I had made to share with people if they'd like to check out my channel. I really want to grow my channel, you guys, because as you know, I live off of my low Social Security, like a lot of people do. But this YouTube channel is really the only way I can have a goal towards making more money. I can't work a regular job because of my disabilities, but I can sure try to do the best job I can do for my family on my YouTube channel, Jake and Me VanLife. hope that it goes well and people will subscribe, that I can eventually get to making money. I'm a long ways from there right now, so I'm not trying to say it's just around the corner. It's not, but I know with your help I can get there. So if you have friends who you think might enjoy my channel, please feel free to share it. I'll see you guys later on my next video, or this one continued today, I don't know, but I really appreciate you guys and I love you all so much. It doesn't matter that we haven't met. It matters that we support each other, and I hope that my videos can help support you and give you something fun and interesting to watch, and I hope that you'll feel supportive of me too, and maybe share my channel with friends or just subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you guys, everybody, so much. I love you all, and I will be back. Have a